Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Juz 1 Surah Al-Baqarah, Rukoo number 4. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. I seek refuge in Allah from Shaitan, the rejected one. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. وَإِذْ قَالَ And when said رَبُّكَ your Lord لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ to the angels إِنِّي indeed I am جَاعِلٌ going to place فِي الْأَرْضِ in the earth خَلِيفَةً a successor قَالُوا they said أَتَجْعَلُ will you place فِيهَا in it man who يفسد will spread corruption فيها in it ويسفك الدماء and will shed the blood ونحن while we نسبح glorify you بحمدك with your praises ونقدس and we sanctify لك you قال said إني indeed I am أعلم know ما لا what you not تعلمون you know. And mention, O Muhammad, when your Lord said to the angels, Indeed I will make upon the earth a successive authority, they said, Will you place upon it one who causes corruption therein and shed blood? While we declare your praise and sanctify you, Allah said, Indeed I know that which you don't know. وَعَلَّمَ and he taught Adam al-asma'a names كلها all of them ثم then عرضهم he displayed them على الملائكة to the angels فقال then he said أنبئوني inform me بأسماء the names هؤلاء these in if kuntum you are صادقين truthful. And he taught Adam the names all of them. Then he showed them to the angels and said, Inform me of the names of these if you are truthful. قالوا they said Subhanaka glorify be to you La no ilma knowledge lana for us illa except ma what allamtana you have taught us innaka indeed you anta you al-alimu all knowing al-hakim the all wise. They said exalted are you, we have no knowledge except what you have taught us. Indeed, it is you who is the knowing, the wise. قال he said يا آدم O Adam أنبئهم inform them بأسمائهم of their names فلما and when أنبأهم he had informed them بأسمائهم of their names قال he said ألم didn't أقول I say لكم to you إني indeed I أعلم know غيب السماوات unseen of the heavens والأرض and the earth وأعلم and I know ما what تبدون you reveal وما and what كنتم you were تكتمون conceal. He said, O Adam, inform them of their names. And when he had informed them of their names, he said, Did I not tell you that I know the unseen aspects of the heavens and the earth? And I know what you reveal and what you have concealed. وَإِذْ قُلْنَا and when we said لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ to the angels, اسجدوا prostrate لآدم to Adam فسجدوا they prostrated إلا except Iblis أبى he refused واستكبر and he was arrogant وكان and became من الكافرين the disbelievers and mention when we said to the angels prostrate before Adam, so they prostrated except for Iblis. He refused and was arrogant and became of the disbelievers. وَقُلْنَا and we said, يَا آدَمُ O Adam, Askun dwell anta you وزوجك and your spouse al-jannata in paradise wakula and you both eat minha from it ragadan freely حيث wherever شئتما you wish ولا but do not تقربا approach هذه this الشجرة tree فتكونا lest you both be من الظالمين of the wrongdoers. And we said, O Adam, dwell you and your wife in paradise and eat therefrom in abundance from wherever you will. But do not approach this tree, lest you be among the wrongdoers. فأزلهما then made both of them sleep الشيطان the shaitan عنها from it فأخرجهما and he got both of them out مما from what كان they both were فيه in it وقلنا and we said اهبطوا go down بعضكم some of you لبعض to others عدو as enemy ولكم and for you في الأرض in the earth مستقر a dwelling place ومتاع and provision إلى حين for a period. But Shaitan caused them to slip out of it and removed them from the condition in which they had been. And we said, go down as enemies to one another, and you will have upon the earth a place of settlement and provision for a time. فَتَلَقَّى then received Adam مِنْ رَبِّهِ from his Lord كَلِمَاتٍ words فَتَابَ so his Lord turned عَلَيْهِ towards him إِنَّهُ indeed he huwa he at-tawwabu the accepting of repentance ar-rahim the most merciful. Then Adam received from his Lord some word and he accepted his repentance. Indeed, it's he who is the accepting of repentance, the merciful. قلنا we said اهبطوا go down منها from it جميعا all of you فإما and when يأتينكم comes to you مني from me هدى guidance فمن then whoever تبع follows هدايا my guide فلا no خوف fear عليهم on them ولا and not هم ولا هم they يحزنون they will grieve. We said go down from it all of you and when guidance comes to you from me whoever follows my guidance there will be no fear of concerning them nor will they grieve. وَالَّذِينَ and those كفروا who disbelieved وكذبوا and deny بآياتنا our signs أولئك those أصحاب النار are the companions of fire whom they فيها in it خالدون abide forever. And those who disbelieve and deny our signs those will be companions of fire they will abide therein eternally.